subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates on Life of Glory and Guts.
Now let's first of all immediately move on to the mock one analysis which we had on Sunday, and after that I have very important one announcement to make. Announcement, or you can call it as a very special gift, but only for the committed people. And then something, a new introduction which I want to share with all of you. And finally the instructions for next mock. Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to the mock analysis. Now, based upon the mock assessment 1 PPDT that has been done on Sunday, based upon that mock which you people performed, all those who were there, one thing let me tell you very clearly, as an assessor, almost I would going to wash out all of you after performing or after showcasing what you showcased in that mock. By any chance, if I really found that the competition with other things as per the group, overall groups, I might select someone, but otherwise the whole group is washed out. They all will going to be get screened out. Now, when I'm saying this, you need to take this criticism very optimistically, and you need to understand where you guys are missing, so that the way you people have transformed yourself in the first level, now you must be able to do it in the second level also, which is the core of SSB, which we are doing right now and grilling you. All right. So let's move on to the analysis. So I'll do analysis one by one, and I'll tell you precisely what it is. And after telling you the ones who resonate, so whosoever analysis I'll be telling you, you can listen to that very carefully, and others as well. And then if you have any doubt, you can ask me, and then we'll move on. So the very first person who narrated was chess number 6, Himanshi. So let's go with that. I would play the narration. Okay. So first of all, I would show what she has sent, and then I'll going to play the narration, what she did, and then I'll tell you the analysis so that everyone should know it. So, okay, on the screens, you can see this is the narration. She has done it. Okay. Everyone can keep their mics on mute. Himanshi, you can only turn on your mic, please. And for all of you, you will going to get a very strong learnings, all of you, from others also, because same things you have been doing. Okay. So this has been her writing. Now I am taking you people to the narration she did. Let's go on to the narration now. Okay, so there I am playing, everyone.
In the story, the first thing I saw is a man who's standing there. His name is Siddharth, and he's standing in the 12th standard. And it is the day of his result. It is a day of his result. So at that day, he was waiting for his result, and as he expected, he got the result as he expected. It was 80%. So now it was a time for him to decide that what career he's going to what is the future course of action. So he wanted some time, free space to spend with him. So he decided to go for a walk in a separate place, an alone place. So he's a nature lover basically. So he went for a place where a lot of greenery is there, very alone place. So suddenly at that place, it started raining and storms started happening. So he decided that he should not get panic first of all, because it was raining so heavily. So he decided not to get panic. So first of all, he accepted the situation, and after that, he decided that after the rain will stop.
Stop means stop. Just have a okay. So this is what she has done the narration. And all those, just to recall once again, so that you should be able to recall properly. Let me do one thing for all of you. Let me also show you the picture that was there in the PPTT. So this was the picture which was there in the PPTT. based upon which the mock people who were doing a mock assessment, they perceived everything. Okay, all right. So this was the picture. Now let's move forward to the assessment. Okay, first of all, Himanshi, tell me one thing. You are a fresher or you are a repeater?
So I'm a fresher right now.
Okay, great.
I have,
And got it.
I'm in
And
the final year of my
no
graduation.
problem. And you are right now on which particular course or program module, the transformational module? Like you are already done with screening success, or you have to do it?
So I have started it yesterday only, and I have completed 2 videos. So
No problem. Okay.
today,
So your first correction is just because of the fact because you don't know about it, and I'm sure that you're going to definitely improve in the next one. There's no doubt about it. So
so
the first
today I have,
first analysis is your writing format is wrong. Okay. So the correct writing
okay.
format, what it is, I'm going to show you with the during this analysis, the one who has written it correctly. But all those do carefully refer to the writing format, which is already given in the screening success blueprint, right? Second thing is, again, I feel this is your problem because you didn't completed your screening success blueprint till now, and that is wrong appointment of the hero. See, when you talk about screening or any of the picture perception, let's say the TAT also in psychology.
Mhm.
As I have already told you very clearly to all of you, the whole SSB is all about showcasing yourself, or in other words, they will going to gauge and they will going to assess your non-uniform officer. That means your non-uniform officer. So whatever you write, whatever you speak, that must reverberate you. Correct? So the very important guidelines, which is a mistake, but I still, that will be taken because you have not done it. Still, you just appeared for the mock. The female, for all the females, for all the feminine, the hero has to be a feminine only. And for all the male, the boys, for all the masculine, the hero has to be masculine. You have made a plot on a particular, I would say, a boy, a male person. That is why there is a wrong appointment of hero and story is somewhat irrelevant. It has no meaning. Because the story what you're writing, that should talk about you. Correct? I will not be going to get into the how to do overall screening because there is no point. That already you have the complete transformational thing with you, right? But I will going to tell you those things which you are missing, and the ones who have not done it, they will realize once they will complete that, and the ones who have already done it, they will also realize what I'm going to tell them in their analysis. So wrong appointment, which you have understood, irrelevant story just because of this, so which you need to correct. Now, few things which are very important, Himanshi, which is a part of your personality. I am seeing that, and which is now getting, so that is now missing into as a, I can see missing as a non-uniform officer in your daily life OQ blueprint. Number one, you didn't write the analysis on the YouTube video. What happened? I asked each one of you, I gave you a clear standing instructions that after the video, go forward, watch it and write your analysis and what overall analysis you had. You didn't write the analysis.
It's just skipped from my mind. Actually, everyone started writing it on the WhatsApp group, so I also wrote there, but it just skipped from my mind. So I will definitely write it.
So the idea
Right.
is, this is what I'm trying to tell you people. So here the problem is, there is a very big problem which majority I have seen in every aspirant. When I'll be going with analysis precisely, I'll tell you, you people take a lot of things casually, and this showcases your casual personality, your casual outlook. See, I am very particular about everything. Let me tell you, मैं एक एक चीज को बहुत precisely note करता हूँ. And it's not that कि मैं note करता हूँ. मेरी आंख फौजी की है तो मेरे से note हो जाती है. मैं अपने आप पकड़ लूँ. Because I don't give a damn for normal things. Are you getting it? And I want the same eye has to come in you. Otherwise, the total transformation will not be possible. You can have a phases of transformation as you are going with, as you are experiencing, but the final transformation can only happen Once you genuinely don't give a damn about your personality and don't give a damn about anything that you have to do. Follow the instructions very, very carefully. Don't mold instructions as per your convenience. Don't say any reasons for it, what others did. Just talk about yourself, follow the instructions. In Forge, no one will going to bloody listen to you कि भाई मैंने ये कहा था, वो हो गया, ये हो गया. So one thing which you really need to take care of, this Himanshi. So this is about your narration and what you have written. About your group discussion part, I will going to come once I'll talk everyone's single narration. Okay, all right. Now let's move on to the second person. The second person is chess number 1, Parth. Okay, so I'll show you the parts. First of all, writing to all of you. See, when you are observing carefully everyone's writing, this is giving you a lot of perspectives. What kind of mistakes when you are looking at your peer groups. Okay, so this is the writing which Parth has shared. Okay, all right. And now let's go forward and let's listen to what Parth has to say about the narration. Okay.
And after that, he decided.
Please do ensure that your aspirants who are watching immediately to next chess number.
And he is a very honest, and he is.
Because in the end, I will going to
Character name.
turn on the mic.
So in my story, my main character name is Ronak. He is in NDRF team, and he is a very honest and regular serviceman. One day, the senior officer called him for emergency, so very rain fall and very storms in that particular day. So he called by his senior. Then and all roads and damage. So he had no vehicle. So he decided to go at office by walk. And in between the path, he saw many people in danger. All of his damages all around. So he helps out some people. And also he saw a lady, old lady. He helped him, and then she thanked him. And then after he go his path.
Okay, all right. So this was for Parth, and now let's go to the analysis. All right. Okay, Parth. So you can unmute yourself and tell me what I'm asking. First of all, Parth, are you a fresher or a repeater?
Yes, sir, I'm fresher.
Okay. And right now in the journey where you are exactly on the SSB recommendation blueprint journey, at which particular module you are?
Sir, I complete my OLQ session, but I am not yet start.
Got it, Parth. Got it, perfectly fine. So once again, Parth, I believe your problem is this only, the same problem which Himanshi had, that you are a fresher and you have not done screening, but still you tried. Okay, very well done. That shows your very good spirit. Great. So I'm sure that once you'll be completing your screening success blueprint, even the Himanshi and you and others who are into the same category, you will going to do a blast. But let's precisely talk right now on this. First of all, writing format is wrong. And because the writing format, there is a specific format which you need to adhere, and you will get to know once you'll go with screening success blueprint. Secondly, the overall writing. Now, this is something very important part for you. The way you have written the story, the screenshot which you have sent it to me. Let me tell you, Parth, that shows your very, 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 very casual attitude. You need to really work on your writing part. आपने जिस तरीके से लिखा है, it shows you are not sincere while writing it, just written it just for the heck of it. See, let me tell you, every single thing counts in the SSB, every single thing. And I'm telling you this thing, you yourself will realize it, each one of you. And let me tell you when you will realize it. When each one of you will touch the second last module, that is SSB recommendation personality model. Let me tell you, you will going to get a 50,000 volt current, because at that day you will realize that this is the level at which they actually scan your mind just like a narcotics. आप कहोगे तो हमारा narcotics test चल रहा है. That's a kind of a level they'll go in the deep. So the idea is you really need to improve on your writing. That's a very important instruction. Okay. So that's something you need to take it, number one. Secondly, again, your story is very regular, Parth. So again, I believe the reason is just that because you have not gone with the screening success blueprint, and after that, I'm sure you'll be able to write very well, but it's very regular. When I say regular, so regular means it does not give any essence of you as a personality and a character. Okay. Next important thing, Parth, in your story, you have said, and this is an important guideline for all of you. At times we write in the story that our character is this and this, and he's a honest and this person. Let me tell you, you don't have to add any adjective to your character. Rather, your plot of the story has to be such where the character and personality has to be showcased in his karma. Action speaks louder than words. I'll tell you one thing. If I say there is a character Raj and he's very honest, this is one statement. Okay. And now I say something, there is a character Raj, and once he was going from his house to his office, and someone he found was in the need, to whom he gave a lift, and he dropped him across the roadside, and after 5 minutes he realized that he has just forgot his wallet full of money in the car. Immediately he took a U-turn just to find that person so that that person should not be in trouble. Now tell me one thing, इस plot में honesty नजर आई या नहीं आई? Honesty दिखी या दिखी नहीं? Yes, everyone दिखी? Correct? Idea is your character, personality, OLQ has to be showcased in karma, not by saying it. Write your plot in this way where action speaks about his personality. Right? Don't boast about yourself. Basically my hero is honest. He is very dedicated. Indirectly you are boasting about yourself. Forces is not about boosting yourself. It's about showing on the ground, and your actions will going to tell who you are and do you have it in you. All right. So this is a very important thing. Next, whenever you write a story, it has to be a plot must showcases. See, and this is a fundamental error in almost every story which people have written almost. This also very important learning for all of you. Whenever you write a story, what this story is all about when you write in PPDT, understand this. The story, what you are writing in PPDT is nothing but is a creation of your own mind. It is a manifestation of your mind. Something which is a manifestation of your mind is indirectly the manifestation, or it showcases the pattern in which you operate in your life. कैसे आप अपनी जिंदगी को लीड करते हैं, इनडायरेक्टली ये उस चीज का ब्लूप्रिंट है. करेक्ट? सो योर स्टोरी हैज टू बी समथिंग गोल ओरिएंटेड. अब आपकी स्टोरी में क्या था? He was just going because there was no conveyance, and then he saw some people, old people. So your story has to be very goal oriented. When I say goal oriented means it could be a very nominal goal, a very normal goal, but a very focused goal with a very focused mindset. When you write this plot, that indirectly shows that you as a person is a very goal oriented person. क्योंकि जो स्टोरी आप लिख रहे हैं वो स्टोरी कहां से आई है? वो स्टोरी कोई पिक्चर में तो लिखी नहीं हुई थी. You have perceived the picture. That is why we call it as picture perception. You perceive it, and as per what you perceive, you spell it out. What you spell it out is nothing but a blueprint of your personality, how you lead your life. Is that clear? Right. So make things more goal oriented, and I'm sure clear to everyone else. Now, next thing, very important, what self analysis you have done on the YouTube that is very true about yourself, where you have written that you need to work on your power of expression. That's very important. Clarity of thoughts is not there. You really need to work on your narration part. Very, very important. Right. And the last very important thing, again, a part of your personality part. It again showcases your casualness and absent-mindedness. I gave each one of you very clearly the format in which you need to send an email. You didn't write anything in the subject. No chest number was there. You simply attach the attachment and you send it like anything. What is this? What do you think? See, I will going to track every single step of yours. Don't think yahan par you are, let me tell you again, you are here on a transformational journey. You are not here for an obligation. In this transformational journey, every step is recorded, and I want you should become this much conscious about you that every single thing that you are doing, you should be so conscious about it. And let me tell you, the day you will become that much conscious, you will have total authenticity within you. Thought, words, action will come in a synchronization. Right? So please adhere to the instructions from next time. Don't be very loose while sending all these things. Right? And be very focused, very attentive while listening to the instructions in which you have to follow it. All right? Is that clear, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Now let's move on quickly to the next person, and chess number 5, Abha. Okay, Abha. All right. Good to see, Abha. You are a very introvert person. Let me tell you about your personality. You are a very silent, calm, introvert person. Being introvert is never a bad idea, but I have some important guidelines for your personality, which I'll tell you. But let me first of all go with the process exactly. So let me showcase all of you the writing that has been done by Abha, what she has sent. This is what she has sent. Okay. Now let's listen to her, what she has to say as a narration. Time's up, time's up. Okay. Next, chess number 5. Begin.
Good evening, everyone. So I perceive from the picture that there is a man of around 30 to 35 years old, and he is in neutral mode. My main character is Rahul, and he belongs to a village area. During his college days, he used to walk a very long distance to reach his college, which was situated in a nearby town. So on some occasions when the weather was not so good, it would be very difficult for him and his course mates to reach to attend the classes. All the students from his and some nearby villages faced these problems as there were no public transports available. After completing his studies, he initially thought of this situation and wanted to help other students. So he initially bought a auto rickshaw on a loan, and he started the service for the students to help them with his increased demand and saving.
Time's up. Chess number 10. Proceed. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right, Abha. So you can turn on your mic, and now please tell me, Abha, first of all, are you a fresher or a repeater here?
Yes, sir, repeater. I've gone through the screening process.
Okay, you are a repeater. Okay. Then, Abha, there are very deep learnings you need to go with, and I would say you have to make your transformational curve more steep and more deep. So now a few of the very important things. First of all, Dear, you lacked a very basic common sense and effective intelligence, which you are not showcasing in your daily life. You actually sent a picture, you click the picture and send it to me. Just see the picture.
Yes, sir.
There is a complete reflection, my dear यार.
Yes, sir. Sad.
A very normal thing. Common sense है कि यार picture
Right, right.
तुम्हारा ही खींच लेते हैं. See, I'm telling you, it's very, very, very small things, but this shows how you actually operate in your life, in your daily life. You need to be very conscious. So you just did it because bhejni thi to bhej di. Don't have that attitude. That will be a big problem, right? So this is something you need to be very, very alert, because you being very introvert, but at the same point of time, don't be absent-minded, because I have seen at times people who become introvert, they take it in a negative way, or they go in a negative direction, in the sense they didn't remain alert. So you have to be very alert in every single moment. That's very important. Okay. Number second here, see, your format is to an extent correct, but I would suggest you go with an exact format as I have given you in Screening Success Blueprint. You need to write the action also. So format needs a correction, though it is not completely wrong, but it needs a correction. Okay. Next, again, there is a big problem, Abha. There is a wrong selection of hero. The overall story is out. It's zero. Reason, the story has to talk about you, not about someone else. The story has to talk about you, not about someone else. And here, the moment you said that the person who's there is 30 to 35 years old, that showcases you are more into. So let me tell you now from this point. This showcases your part of a personality, because you are a repeater, which you must understand very carefully. This showcases that you are not a practical person. You believe in making those stories which are hypotheses. This showcases you about your personality. Whereas Indian Armed Forces, SSB, is looking for practical people, not those people who are into the hypothesis, but the ones who really embrace the reality of life. Getting it? So your story has to be very authentic, very real, and it must showcase you, represent you. That means the hero, the character central has to be you. Overall, in depth, once you'll go with Screening Success Blueprint in detail, you will get to know about it. Or if you have already done it, okay, if you have done it, great. If anything you are missing after what I'm giving you analysis, just re-go with that. Okay. Now, and the last very important thing for you, Abha, which is about your personality, very important, which will affect you. So to all those where I am telling you about your personality parts, let me tell you, those are the major corrections that you need to do, because those will be reflected in everything that you will do. So what I am really finding, Abha, which is missing in you, dear, right now is you are actually missing with that internal fire within you. मुझे ना वो स्पार्क नहीं दिख रही. आदमी बहुत ना सेटल डाउन होता है ना लाइफ में. So a person who always take things for granted कि ठीक है यार. So I will not go too much detail right now, because this is not the right forum. But one thing which I can always say after looking out at your face and reading your face value and your face print is, there are a lot of things which bothers you, and you think a lot about things. And let me tell you, when you get into too much thinking about things, that genuinely makes you a very, I would say, inefficient personality. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Thinking की ज़्यादा problem है ना, चीजें bother कर रही है ना ज़्यादा, वो करती हैं. See, I will not go into the details of that. So it could be any personal, whatever it is. But what I'm trying to tell you as a bottom line is, this is a personality correction which is very important, and you must take a charge of it. Please understand everything. यार overthinking से कुछ नहीं होगा. मैं आप सब लोगों को ना अपना एक ब्लॉग भेजूंगा. overthinking पे एक ब्लॉग है मेरा, मेरे पर्सनल ऑफिशियल ब्लॉग पे है, ब्लॉग ujwalchuk.com/blog पे. I'll send it to you. Do read it. It is a very scientific blog. ज्यादा जब आप ओवर थिंक करोगे ना तो चीजें जो हैं वो उतनी एफिशिएंटली नहीं हो पाएंगी, रादर यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, राइट? एंड दिस इज द रीजन आबा ड्यू टू विच आई फील internal fire and motivation is missing in you. Bring that, make it a yaar goal oriented reason for your life. Make your life a reason. Don't live a life for the heck of it. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Live it for the heck of it यार. मतलब normal regular routine तो एक कुत्ता और बिल्ली भी कर रहा है. What we are doing as a human beings when we have given the special intelligence, so we must use it. So live it for a purpose, right? And I sincerely feel that purpose is missing in your conduct. Got it? And otherwise, you as a person is a very clean-hearted, noble person that reflects from your face. A very clear, a very honest person. Only thing is, a motivation is missing. Please bring that reason, purpose in your life, and then you can break everything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's perfectly fine. Next person is chest number 10, Sunil. Okay. So let me show you his narration and then we will simply jump on to the analysis.
Gentlemen, in this picture I saw one character and it's in positive mode and the age around 25 to 30. So my main character name is Kiran, who graduated from Hyderabad as he selected the course which is a agriculture science. So after his graduation, he went back to his village, which is Rampur, as his father is from the farmer. So he started working with them. So one day when he was returning from his city to his home, in the meanwhile, the rain started. So he was rushed back to his home as the cattle are outside, like cow and buffalo are outside. So he wanted to give a shelter and also help to protect the food for the cattle. So he went back to his home and he gave a shelter to the animals and he also protected the food. And then he went back to his inside the house and he changed his dress and he was very much enjoying as it was raining, but because this rain could be helpful for the agriculture field and it was very much successful for them as they got very much production in the agriculture field. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks, sir. Okay, so tell me, Sunil, you are a repeater, correct?
Yes, sir.
And when is your next SSB?
It's on 21st.
मेरी बात थोड़ी दिल पे लग जाएगी, बट लग जाए तो अच्छा है क्योंकि मैं तो दिल पे लगाता हूँ यार, मैं प्यार तो करता नहीं हूँ. You won't find roses. तू दोबारा रिपीट करने वाला है. Again you will going to repeat. अब तेरे को दर्द होगा और मैं चाहता हूँ दर्द हो, because अभी भी reality तेरे को समझ नहीं आ रही. Now let me go very precisely in your overall things one by one. First of all, you didn't share your writing. I didn't receive any email. From this point only, let me tell you two very important points about your personality, Sunil, and let me tell you that will going to become the major reason of your repetition again if you do not correct those things in next 10 days before you go. Number one, your too much logical mind and restlessness. You are too logical and you are very restless person. Patience और calmness नहीं है, अंदर हमेशा ना युद्ध चल रहा है तेरा. Every time you're struggling with yourself. Because of these two things, you end up becoming overconfident and over smart. जो मैं बोल रहा हूं सुनील, अभी इस पे फोकस करो. अभी हो क्या रहा है आपकी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, मेरी बात सुनने के बाद आप अंदर से बड़ा सैड फील कर रहे हो. और इससे अब एक और प्रॉब्लम और होगी. इससे प्रॉब्लम ये होगी कि आपकी अलर्टनेस दूर हो जाएगी एंड यू विल बिकम एब्सेंट माइंडेड. मेरी आधी चीजें बाउंसर निकल जाएंगी, आपको समझ ही नहीं आएंगी क्योंकि दिमाग तो उन सैडनेस में चला गया है. ओहो सर ने ये क्या कह दिया, मुझे सिर्फ आप ही से तो उम्मीद थी, आप मेरे साथ अच्छी अच्छी बातें करोगे. वो मैं करूंगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं तो सच्ची बात करूंगा. अब वो चुभे चाहे अच्छी लगे ना लगे. Focus, dear, what I'm saying. You have two problems and your prime problem is your restlessness, and the restlessness is the root cause of your all problems. When you messaged me at that day, your friend got screened out. उसमें भी तेरी restlessness थी. सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा. Same restlessness you have showcased in this mock also. And due to this restlessness, you get onto two things. Either you become underperforming, or you start performing over with the over smartness, and you are gone. Your game is over. This is what is happening with you. And due to this, you are not alert and attentive also. So first of all, didn't receive your writing. So I don't know. Again, you took it very casually, and due to your restlessness, you are not able to pay attention on a lot of things, and that's why this problem comes. And you are not able to adhere to the instructions. So I cannot comment anything on your writing because I have not received the writing. Secondly, your selection of hero is absolutely correct, Sunil. So what selection he has done is absolutely fine. That showcases that yes, that hero is no other than the candidate itself. Your story, Sunil, I would say is okay. So in your story, though the overall plot you have said, it showcases your effective intelligence and somewhat your helping nature also. But let me tell you, you can actually create and you can have a 10 times better plot. But the only problem why you are not able to have it, just because of your root cause problem, which I have already shared with you. That's your personality error. And due to this only, जितनी अच्छी आप स्टोरी बना सकते हो, आप बना ही नहीं पाते. तो आपका जो प्लॉट था ना, वो बहुत बड़ा रेगुलर सा स्टफ. And that regular stuff, if you listen to your plot, just shows a little bit of effective intelligence. You didn't show any of your non-uniform officer in any way. आपने ये तो कहा कि मैं एग्रीकल्चर का स्टूडेंट हूं, but did you show any skillfulness? You didn't show any skillfulness. You simply showed effective intelligence कि एकदम से storm आ रहा है, so all the kettles have to be saved, and then agriculture is good for the rain is good for water and for agriculture and all those stuff. Nothing else. What is reflected you as a personality? Nothing. See, understand one thing. The psychologist in your story writing is actually interested what gets reflected as a nutshell outcome of your story. Because the outcome nutshell of your story is nothing but it is the blueprint of your personality. And what is the blueprint of your personality is something you only. And that will going to actually help him to take a decision whether you are in or you are out. So if you really work on your root problem, Sunil, let me tell you, things will automatically get corrected. But if you don't work onto it, then it will be a problem. Okay. Now let me tell you your casualness from many things. Even all instructions were given properly, because the reason is every time you are in a hurry, you are restless and overconfident. Your chest number was falling every time. एक तरह से भाई chest number नहीं stick होता. तू repeater आदमी है. तेरे से इतनी भी effective intelligence नहीं है. Chest number को ऐसे tie करते हैं. 2 छेद करके safety pin लगा लेता. मतलब see this alertness. When I wrote an email to you people, I gave you the tool also, tie the number with safety pin. उसके बाद भी नहीं हुआ. वो गिर रहा है, उसको बार-बार चिपका रहा है. What you are doing? What is this? This shows your casual, overconfident attitude. You cannot follow the instructions. When you cannot follow the instructions, how you'll go forward? Yeah, please. You want to say something?
Sir, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah,
but
please.
I didn't got any chest number, sir. So from one of our group mates, then I got to know that my chest number was 10.
You didn't get any chest number?
No, sir.
On the emails, I sent the chest number to everyone, and we wrote a message on the group that email has been sent for the instructions. Did you inquire that you have not got the instructions on the email? Did
Yes, I checked on my email, sir.
Did you inform after that I have checked my email and I have not got the instructions?
No, I didn't inform.
So fault is yours, dear.
I asked to other group mate, then he told that my chest number was 10.
Fault is yours, yaar. As simple as that. And when, let's say, okay, great, it shows your common sense. You ask your group mate, you have not done anything wrong, great, and he told your chest number, great. इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस को टाई करने की इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस कहां चली गई? मैं बात टाइम की कर रहा हूं और आप क्या बोल रहे हो? This is the problem, dear. You are a too logical person. You have you have a damn reason for every single failure of yours. And let me tell you, with this you will not be able to defeat yourself. मैंने रीजनिंग एबिलिटी डेली लाइफ वर्ल्ड की ब्लूप्रिंट में आपको क्या समझाया था? द रीजनिंग हैज टू बी यूनिवर्सल. अपनी जबरदस्ती रीजनिंग मत बना देना, क्योंकि हर बंदे के पास अपनी रीजनिंग को जस्टिफाई करने का तरीका होता है. It has to be a universal reasoning. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Want to say something? Not satisfied with me?
Satisfied, sir.
Satisfied. Chalo, अच्छी बात है भाई. Okay. So this was something, and
Sir, how to overcome that restlessness?
and you have been able to figure out a lot of right thing in your analysis that you have written in YouTube. So that's very correct that you have written about yourself. Yeah, how to come that over that the restlessness that you have. So I can only suggest you two simple things for that. Number one, right now, the transformational journey you have been following, as compared to you, the other community members, they have got a better transformation than you, because let me tell you, you apply your too much mind, rather others just follow it as I have told them. Don't apply your analysis paralysis. So one thing very important is you need to tell yourself now logically. देख तेरा problem क्या है, तेरा logical दिमाग है ना, तो इसको logically काटना पड़ेगा. समझ रहा है? लॉजिक को लॉजिक से ही टूटेगा. अभी लॉजिक क्या है समझ. Now you make a recording and keep that recording as a reminder after every one hour as a snooze. हर एक घंटे पे repetition पे लगा उसको. तेरे लिए मैं तेरे को टूल दे रहा हूं, जैसे प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के लिए था, अब अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग कर और 1 घंटे पे लगा. और उस रिकॉर्डिंग में क्या बोलना है? ऐसा है भाई सुनील, तूने अपना सारा दिमाग लगा लिया, आड़ी टेढ़ी का जोर लगा लिया, नहीं हो रहा ना, बस की नहीं हुई ना अपने लॉजिक से क्रैक करना. अभी किसी की सुन भी ले और अपना दिमाग लगाना बंद कर दे. गिव दिस वेरी सिंपल, वेरी ब्लंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू योरसेल्फ, because when this instruction will feed again and again within your head, it will certainly convince your logical mind to accept the reality. अभी होता क्या है कि जब आप मेरे सामने होते हो, अब तक तो आपके पास रीजन नहीं होता, क्योंकि मुझे कैसे काटोगे लॉजिक में, तो फंस जाता है, तेरे लॉजिक सब यहां जीरो हो जाते हैं. But the moment you get out from this start working again. And when they start working again, it actually becomes a barrier within your own process of recommendation and your daily life success, or your daily life total transformation as a non-uniform officer. And this is the only reason. You are a repeater. There are other lot of freshers. The freshers have got a better transformation curve than you. Reason? Because they don't have to apply their analysis. They are just following it and they're getting a current. You are getting a less magnitude current. करंट तो लगेगा क्योंकि प्रोग्राम ऐसा है, बट जितना इंपल्स पे आपको लगना चाहिए वो क्यों नहीं लग रहा? बिकॉज यू हैव मेड अ वॉल इन बिटवीन. व्हेन यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ वॉल इन बिटवीन, तो भाई उस वॉल को तो तुझे ही तोड़ना पड़ेगा ना यार. मैं कैसे तोड़ूंगा? आई कैन गिव यू द टूल्स फॉर ब्रेकिंग इट. सो वन थिंग इज मेक दिस एज अ रिकॉर्डिंग एंड पुट इट एज अ रिमाइंडर. ओके. एंड सेकेंडली, फॉर योर रेस्टलेसनेस, you need to again tell your logical mind a logic, and the logic is, any mission done in haste will going to kill me. Any mission done in haste will going to kill me. Anything done in haste will actually will not give you an opportunity to fire your opponent, but will actually going to make your opponent fire on you. Just accept this simple reality, which is a logic. This logic will help you to overcome your restlessness. Because हर किसी मरीज की अलग दवा होती है, हर किसी को एक दवाई नहीं लगती. Your problem, logical mind has to be broken with the logic only. And I've bloody given you 2 simple logics. And if you're ready to break yourself, just follow it. You will be able to do it. But if you again ignore it, अब देख, अब मैं तेरे को बता देता हूं पहले ही, तेरा लॉजिकल माइंड कितना ओवर स्मार्ट हो सकता है। वो बाद में उसके मन में एक थॉट आ सकता है तेरे लॉजिकल माइंड में, पता है क्या थॉट आ सकता है कि हाँ यार वो सर ने बता तो दिया, वो थे तो बढ़िया, बट ऐसा क्या खास था इसमें, नॉर्मली तो बात बोली थी उन्होंने, अब इसमें क्या, हाँ ठीक है तो मुझे याद ही रहेगा बस। फिर तेरी गेम ओवर, तेरे लॉजिक ने फिर तेरे को फंसा दिया। ये लॉजिक की जो गेम है वही तो फंसाती है हमेशा। See, understand, when you get on the transformation, it is transformation when you transform yourself. That does not mean that you are become illogical, no, but your looking of logic becomes so diverse which cannot be looked from a naked eye. Are you getting it?
Yes.
तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है जो टाइगर हिल पे जाने के लिए कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा बोल रहा है कि जी पता नहीं ऊपर कितने इंट्रूडर्स हैं, हम जाएंगे, सूबेदार योगेंद्र सिंह यादव इज सेइंग आई विल गो, तो वो पागल है, वो इलॉजिकल है। जो बंदे 4-4 बुलेट्स खा के आए हैं वो इलॉजिकल है, दे आर नॉट इलॉजिकल, बट देयर लॉजिक इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, बट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे मेड दैट पॉसिबल, that impossible as possible with their broader logics, and combined with that officer within them, that they made it. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the key for you. All right, so now let's come quickly to the next chest number 3, Sarthak.
Sorry, sir. Can you see this?
No, I will not see this, I'm sorry dear. I am very particular about the rules and regulations, so you have, it's your mistake, your net, I will not see now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay ji. So let me share the Sarthak's writing first of all. Okay, there it is. This is what this gentleman has written. And now let's listen to his narration. Chest number 3, continue. Turn on the mic, chest number 3, turn on the mic.
Hello, sir. Friends, in the picture, I have perceived that there is a character having age 22 and is in positive mood. My main character is Avinav, who is recently doing his graduation. And in the morning, he just gone to forest for roaming, as he is very nature loving. And whenever he is just roaming, he felt that there is a big storm is coming towards his village, and then at the moment he rushed to their village to alert and aware about the storm which is coming towards his village. So he firstly alert the village members and say to all the required items like food, emergency lights to store before the storm, to fight the storm. All the village members were...
Time's up. Chest number 8. Okay. All right, Sarthak, you can turn on your mic, dear.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Sarthak, you are a fresher or repeater?
Fresher, sir.
Okay, very good. So, I would say one fresher, I would say, who's going very speed, and with this, even though he's a fresher, he has written absolutely correct format of writing, absolutely standard format he has written, number 1. A very right selection, the way he has. I would rate your story as something which is between okay and good. Not even good, not okay, but above okay and less than good. Though your story, what you have written, Sarthak, it showcases speed of decision, as quickly someone took a decision, the hero took a decision, your sense of responsibility, and that also showcases some level of courage also. But it could be more graceful, because the way you have been writing, it could be more graceful. So I'm sure once you will go with this screening success blueprint, and then you will go with your overall mock strongly, then I'm sure that this particular grace, how to do it more gracefully with the tools I have given you in screening success blueprint, you will be able to do it much better. All right. So otherwise, even without knowing it, what you have done it, good job done. Okay. Now,
Sir, I have completed the screening success blueprint.
okay, no problem. Okay, that's fine. So you must be able to realize. So after completing it, you yourself can realize it. Now you can do it much more profoundly what you did earlier.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, something very important for you, which is again a part of your personality, which you really need to improve, Sarthak, and that is very, very important for you. First of all, you need to really work on your daily life OLQ, power of expression, because let me tell you, the biggest problem that right now is, Sarthak, is your narration is not coming by heart.
Yes, sir. Sir, that is because of language, sir.
No. That is not just because of the language. There is one more reason about your personality, which I'm telling you. Something which I can gauge after reading you. So I'm telling you that now. That's take it as a learning and then work on it.
Yes, sir.
So do one thing. Compare your writing when you write something and compare when you speak something. I have seen your writings when you have been writing in the comments and you're sharing your transformational part at every moment, every step of the journey when you have been crossing. Let me tell you, when you write something, even though you are doing a lot of English errors, but your writing shows that you are writing from heart. But at the same point of time, when you are speaking, Sarthak, it does not shows that you are fully speaking it from your heart. And the reason for that is you are getting too much conscious about your speaking, Sarthak. This is a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting now problem?
Yes, sir.
इस बात को आप एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए कि इंग्लिश में आपकी एरर्स हैं and your communication will only improve with time, and these mocks will help all of you to improve your communication a lot. And you must have even realized the very first time, and I even received a lot of messages, you people sent it to me, stating that the first mock really has imbibed that courage within you where you were not able to face it, and now you are really feeling confident. Similarly, this thing will going to improve your communication. So accept this thing, that communication will get certainly improved with the more you will grill up. So there is no point taking any pressure or becoming too conscious while speaking. Because if you will become conscious while speaking, the problem is something which you will speak people will not connect with that. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you one example to all of you. पैडमैन मूवी किस किसने देखी है? मैंने इस एग्जांपल दिया हुआ अपने जर्नी के अंदर भी, because you have not reached till that point, so you might not be realizing it, but I'll tell you. पैडमैन देखी है ऑलमोस्ट सबने. पैडमैन में आपने देखा है आखिरी में वो यूएनओ में जाके बोलता है, करेक्ट? राइट? He speaks disastrous English, but he speaks from heart. See, there are real-time examples in your life. You don't have to go anywhere. देखो फर्क क्या है? मूवीज आपने भी वही देखी और मैं तो बहुत कम देखता हूँ यार. आई एम नॉट अ मूवी पर्सन. लेट मी टेल यू, पीपल क्रिटिसाइज मी सेइंग, my friends criticize me telling me ki yaar what kind of a person you are. So I say yaar I see very selected movies, right? But the point is, when I see it and when you see it, you watch it for entertainment, I watch it for bringing a change in. This is the only difference. If you take this perspective from me, you will also become me only, nothing else. You will see that 10x more transformation coming with you in every single thing you are doing. Right, Sarthak? Clear? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, Sarthak. Perfect.
Thank you,
And next important thing about you, Sarthak, again, due to this thing, absent-minded and casualness, didn't write your chest number. When you sent the mail, आपका subject में chest number आपने भी नहीं लिखा.
Sir, actually I have written on that page only.
What instructions I gave you?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Did I ask you to write on the page?
So that I was confused that time. Yes, sir.
You are not confused. You are absent-minded. Go and
Yes,
read
sir.
my instructions and tell me, have I written something in a confusing way?
No, sir. No, sir.
Then
Sir,
why
I
you
just mug up with that. Yes, sir.
you didn't pay attention? That's why you got confused yourself. So
Yes,
please
sir.
be very attentive from next time.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And just because you are not speaking from heart, due to that only your power of expression is also missing. So once you speak from heart, automatically that power of expression will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it's done. And now we are left with two very quick. I don't think so. These are new two community members, and I believe they are not present today. Rohit and Sunanya. No problem. Because they are not present, that is something their call, but I would going to take it forward and then they can watch the video recorded version. So I'll take it for, first of all, the next gentleman is Rohit, chess number 8. So there I'll show all of you his writing. Okay. So there what Rohit has written as a piece of writing. Okay. And now let's listen to his instructions. Go forward and let's do it. Please continue.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceived a male character of age 22 to 25 years of age. Raju is saving a couple. Raju is pursuing his graduation from the Aurora Engineering College. As his college is far from the city outskirts, so he was living in a PG. The PG owners were the two couple who are caring a lot like to him, their parents. So one day, due to the monsoon season, the couple were affected by the viral fever. So Raju had thought that to take care of themselves. In the monsoon heavy rain also, he went outside and expected that this rain will last for two more days, and brought thermometer and self-medication and treated them. At last, they were cured and they were happy for the taking care by the Raju. Thank you.
Okay, this is done by the Rohit. Now let me tell you, all you people, the analysis of Rohit, and Rohit, when he will be watching the video in Wednesday brainstorming, so he'll get to. First of all, the writing format is nearly correct, Rohit. So there are a few corrections which you need to do, but I am sure that you will be able to do it because you are very fresh to the community, and I'm sure you have not done the screening success blueprint. So once you will do it, you will surely get that correction. But yes, to an extent it is correct, but I would suggest you to follow that standard format that has been given. Next, you have done the right selection of hero, but the way you have presented it shows your state of confusion in mind, and puts a question mark on you. You say, my character is between age 22 to 25. What is this? When you are writing, saying this statement, this shows you are not reflecting yourself. The moment you say this statement, between 22 to 25, this means you're not reflecting yourself. Wahin par assessor ko pata lag gaya. At that very moment, assessor will get to know that you are not reflecting yourself. Rather, you are just trying to narrate a hypothetical story. Because if you are reflecting yourself, you will never say this dicey statement. You will simply say, he's 22, 25, 26, whatever it is, which is near to your age. All right. So keep it one straightforward age, which shows your simple commanding, no confusion. Your story, Rohit, I would say it is moderate. I can't see any qualities of the Raju as a non-uniform officer. So it is a very moderate and very, I would say something little less than okay also. One more thing in your story which is happening is Raju's, or indirectly yours, emotional character is getting in front. So when you say that wherever he is there in the PG, and the PG, both the lady and the men, the husband wife love him like the parents, and then one day they are ill, and due to that he went in the storm, bought that thermometer, everything. So what this is showing that Raju is not selfless, because he might be doing it because he loves them, because of the care which he has received. Being a non-uniform officer is about being selfless, following your dharma as a person, as a citizen as a non-uniform officer. So story plot that you write, Rohit, please understand and ensure that in the story plot, it has to be more of selfless, and that clearly reflects you, and that showcases the abilities, personalities, and qualities of the hero in the form of his karma, not by stating it just by your words, right? So this is now next important is, you again have little from your writing. If you will see your writing, I can see casualness, and I would request that you need to really work on your writing part. So please write more and more. That will make you more efficient and clean in your writing. One important thing is the YouTube analysis that you have written, Rohit. Even that analysis that you have written, let me show all of you the analysis he has written so that you will get an idea, because that's very important why I'm showing specific his analysis. From that you will going to get an idea. Even see, this is what analysis he has written. Even the analysis that you have written, Rohit, it shows your such a casual behavior that you have just written it because for the heck of it. ये तो वही वाली बात हो गई, मैंने कहा था तो लिख दिया. What you have written? Simply self-analysis, power of expression, correct arrangement of sentence, posture. I feel these is lacking in my today's session. See, analysis, when you write something, have a clarity in everything that you present. Then only you yourself will become a clear personality in everything. So from next time, whenever you're doing anything, just do it with full involvement. Don't do it just for the homework or an assignment you have to do it. It is not an assignment. See, we are not here like those school teacher wali relationship. Thoda na yaar yahan par. Anything you want to do, you will do it voluntarily for yourself. You don't want to do it. Now today you are not present. So that's your wish. And you have to actually, now tomorrow, you are not able to go live with me. That's your problem. So in the similar way, you have to take a charge for yourself. And I will not going to spare for any of the negligence you people will do. Take a charge for that. All right. So nothing, don't feel bad on anything that I'm telling you. Just that take every single thing as in a very good spirit, and take it as a correction that you need to do it. And I'm sure that you can do it. Right. So this is all about you, Rohit. And I'm sure, because as I've already said, you are very new to the community, but I'm sure as you'll proceed forward, you will be able to improve a lot once you'll complete the screening success blueprint and the other things as well, and daily life OLQ blueprint. So looking forward for your great performance in the upcoming mock sessions. All right. So now let's move on to the last and we'll go to the Sunanya. Okay, all right. So okay, I'm sorry. There it is. Okay, let's see that. All right, chest number 9, continue please. Need to be a little loud, chest number 9. We're not able to listen to you. We're not able to listen to you. Need to be loud, chest number 9.
According to my perception, I will give him a name as Ramesh. He is between an age of 28 to 32, and that too he is already married man, and due to which he is rushing back, though it is raining, from his work so that he may not get late for the second shift of his work. As it is monsoon, the rain is never depicted that when it can be taking place or when it may not take place. And on the whole, it's a rural area. And despite knowing that it is raining, he has to rush back so that he doesn't get late, because this is the need, because he needs to feed his children and family as well. He's not concerned about how long it will take or how long will the rain go, but he is just concerned about his children being fed, and so that he's not even he's also wiping. In the picture, we can see that he's wiping his face using his arm or using his hand, or whichever water droplets are falling on his face. But despite that thing, he's working hard and rushing towards his next shift.
That's all. Thanks.
Okay, all right, Sunanya. So I believe Sunanya is also not there, and she is also a very new community member. But I'll just go with your analysis, Sunanya, and then you can watch it. So first of all, I don't know, Sunanya, you are a repeater or a fresher. But in both the cases, I would say certainly few of the important things for you. And again, you tried, it's very good because you are very fresh, and I'm sure you have not done Screening Success Blueprint, and you have not even done the second Daily Life OLQ Blueprint. And the moment you will complete all those, you will have a different level of transformation within you, and your performance will go at next level. But still, nevertheless, you tried, very good spirit. And based upon that trial you have done, I'm giving you the analysis. Number one, didn't receive your writing on the email, so no comments on that. Your story orientation and hero selection is absolutely wrong. So once you'll go with that, as I've already explained to other candidates, you must have watched this, must be listening, that the story and hero, first of all, the hero is no one, he or she has to be you only. So you being a female, you need to select someone as a feminine person, right, in that plot. And the orientation, as in orientation means it has to be a story with a goal which is there. So your story is going very off. You were telling something and then in between you started describing the picture. You need to understand PPDT is not about describing the picture. It is about your perception, how you perceive. You can't tell people that, look, जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख रहे थे वो साफ कर रहा हाथ. You might see this, others might not be able to see this because it's your perception. That is why intentionally they have kept the picture as hazy, because they intentionally want to kick you. They intentionally want to provoke your perception to come out, which will showcase your reality about your personality. All right. So the idea is picture perception is about your perception. So don't describe the picture. That's something very important. And once you'll go with Screening Success Blueprint, you will going to get a good command on this. I'm sure about it. Right. And one good thing which I must acknowledge, Sunanya, which is your strength. You have a very strong power of expression. But the only thing which I have found is you have a direction lacking. You have not got the direction till date. But nevertheless, I have been reading your comments in the first 3 days, and I have been able to see that current you are getting, you have been sharing. And I'm sure once you'll go with the other program modules, you will get that strength and transformation. So you will, by any chance, you have to get the direction now. You will get it, right? Otherwise, you have a very good power of expression. That's great, right? And what analysis you have done on YouTube, that's very correct. That is something missing in you and you need to work on it. All right. Okay.